Yanni here with Marine Connection. We are on board the Heritage 241 from Sportsman Boats. This is a fantastic 24-foot boat with a lot of options, a lot of features built in, just as any other Sportsman. Let's take a quick look. For the 2019 model year, the Sportsman lineup has seen a few notable changes. Big one including Garmin upgraded multifunction units. Those replaced last year's Simrad units and the ones that Sportsman's been utilizing for several years now. So very welcome change. We love the Garmin setups. They're easy to use and provide a great deal of functionality. JL audio has also become the standard audio setup in these boats, meaning you get a turnkey package that sounds great. And there are upgrade JL options available directly from Sportsman when you are ordering your boat. Upholstery wise, Sportsman has a new premium soft touch material, and on this particular boat we are looking at the tan finish. Feels great, looks great, nice contrast against the white top of the boat here, and it's very, very comfortable to sit on. So 241 and the 242 are sister boats built by Sportsman. The Heritage model here, the 241, features a wide rear bench seat that goes full across, whereas the 242 will feature a walk-through transom with an elevated live well and a fold-up rear bench seat. Forward of the rear bench seat, and we do have dual live wells on here and transom access. Forward of that, we do have our leaning post with flip-up bolsters. Underneath, we do have a tackle tray organizer and a large icon cooler. Working our way forward, we have plenty of shade from this hard top on here. It is hull color matched on the underside. We have misters, LED lights, JL audio speakers, 4 of them in the hard top. We do have our Garmin VHF radio mounted up in there as well, and nice powder coated white finish on this particular one. We have a spacious head inside. And forward of the console, we do have a wide bench seat with a cooler underneath. Forward wraparound seating, the center insert is removable, providing some extra space up here at the bow of the boat. The bow backrests are removable also, and underneath each cushion you do have some additional storage. At the very bow, we have access to our windlass, through-hull windlass setup on this 241. And we do have controls for that windlass right here, conveniently located. We do have rod storage underneath both gunnels, and this boat is mated to a Yamaha 300 4-stroke, providing plenty of performance and a absolutely fun boat. You can't ask for more. To view our complete inventory of Sportsman 241 and 242 models, visit marineconnection.com. I'm Yanni with Marine Connection. Remember, life's better on your boat. Happy boating.